Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that refers to happiness or intense joy, felicity. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is felicity. Let's break it down. First, we have foo, which sounds like pho in fun. Next is liss, which rhymes with kiss and is the stressed syllable. Then comes ich, which sounds like the I in bit. Finally, t, which sounds like tea. Now, let's put it all together. Felicity. Try repeating after me. Felicity. Now a little faster. Felicity, and at full speed. Felicity. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Felicity refers to intense happiness or joy, often used to describe a moment or a state of being full of delight or bliss. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce felicity and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.